G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. I'm your host, Greycloud, and this is Dorrigo Park in Brook. Now, as you can see around me, great park to see. I'll just turn you around a bit more. And I'll leave over there somewhere. I'm not going to tell you though, that's the mystery. But this weather, oh, I love it. I'm not a big fan of summer. I hate the hot months. Don't like the heat. The cold, wintry days, now that's me. I think there is a word called pluviophile for people who are lovers of rain. I think that best describes me, because hey, I do love rainy days. Just to sit back, relax, take it easy and look out to the rain and think, oh, what a great day. And then again, when it's raining, I can't exactly be out here doing my documentaries, can I? But that's besides the point, because hey, I do like both. That's me. Let's go for a walk. And yes, it is healing. It's almost better, except for the weak moment in the hand. I sprained this quite a while ago, and it did hurt that bugger at the time, but it's getting much better. Easier for me to handle the selfie stick. Dorrigo Park, Brook. These are my stomping grounds. Okay. Let's go for another walk. Playground for the kiddies. Very peaceful being here. I hope I wasn't moving too fast for you, and I hope you did get to see all of that. But I'll try to keep these videos short and sweet, just to make it interesting and not long enough for it to be boring. Because hey, we don't want that, you don't want that, so we both have one thing in common. So until next time, see you then.